Hi, I'm Andrew Smith from SY Electronics here at ISE 2023 in Barcelona, talking about our range of comprehensive switcher products. In particular this one, the KVM41-U3-18G. This is a quad USB 3 KVM switch. There's 4 inputs and a single output, supporting HDMI 2.0, 18 gig 4K 60 444 with HDR. Supports 2 USBs, 2 USB 2.0s and 2 USB 3 Type A peripherals can be connected to the device in any configuration. As you would expect from SY products, Dolby Vision, LPCM audio, HLD, deep color and 12-bit is supported as standard. This product is one of many that SY Electronics are launching here at the show, and for more information please go to our website at www.sy.uk or see us here at ISE in Hall 2, stand P250. Thank you.